Hey guys, welcome to LawnCareMadeEasy.com. I'm Zach Stroud. Today I'm going to talk to you about 3 rakes you need for the fall. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. Okay guys, so welcome back. So the first rake I want to talk to you about, which is a pretty common rake. It's a leaf rake, but it has metal tines, okay? This is good for getting those stubborn type of small leaves up from your oak trees or anything like that that are really hidden in your lawn or in your shrubs, and you can really just pull them out with these metal tines. Just make sure you get a real good one, because some of these tines, they will start to bend and then it's really useless after that. So make sure you get a good quality rake. Um, this is a cobalt, but get a good quality rake and make sure these tines are really sturdy when you buy them, and make sure they're not bending a lot. Okay guys, so this is the second rake I wanted to show you. This is also a leaf rake. It's a plastic leaf rake. So it's not as sturdy as the other ones, but it's a very good rake because it has a 30-inch width of the tines up here, the plastic tines. So it's going to cover more surface area and in an area that you're trying to rake up. Okay, so it's a lot easy. It's a lot faster to use this one. The last one I just showed you may get stuck in some of the grass if you have some thatch. This one goes right over it. As you can see, they're not very sharp, and they're blunted at the end, so they're not going to grab a lot. It's just for leaves, any type of large leaves that you have, and they'll do pretty good. This rake will do really good in getting those leaves up, getting them in a pile so you can get them out of your lawn. Okay guys, so this is the last rake I want to talk to you about. This is called, well, it has many names. It's called a bow rake, a garden rake, a hard rake. So it has many names, but it's a really good rake to have. You can use it in your landscaping to push mulch around if you need to. You can use it in your lawn if you want to replace some grass and you take some old grass up. These hard metal tines right here really dig into the soil and really get that old grass out. If you have like an area that has maybe some fungus in there, take that old grass out and put some new grass or plant some new seed. This is great for that. I will mention this. Make sure when you buy a rake like this, it's made of good quality. Otherwise, when you hit the ground, this part right here will break off. Okay, so make sure around here, if you can get one that's all mended together right here in one shaft, that's great. It's going to be a little bit more costly, of course, but if not, then get one at least middle of the road, a cobalt of something of that sort, because I've had this one for a while now and it's served very well to me. And I did a video on these cobalt rakes probably about 5 or 6 months ago. Go back and check that one out. But so far it's been really good. This is one of my favorite rakes and I use it pretty often. So make sure you have one of these in your rake collection. Okay guys, so here are the 3 rakes I wanted to share with you today that I use especially in the fall. So make sure you have these in your shed, in your garage somewhere, because you're going to need these. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one.